Chiliz Holders is doing a very big mistake at this time. So if you are a holder of Chiliz, keep watch this video till the end, friends, and be safe, my friends, because in this video we discuss the latest and urgent update of Chiliz and also discuss the big mistake of holders. So keep watch and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. First of all, if you look the currently latest price of the Chiliz in the market, so 0.305876 USD dollar is the current latest price of the Chiliz in the market. On the other side, if you look the price changes occurring the Chiliz in the market at this time live. So absolutely the changes last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is also positive. The whole changes occurs in the Chiliz is going positive. And remember at this time in the cryptocurrencies market, the Chiliz is the unique crypto which is the all changes occurs in the Chiliz as positive. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing as positive. And my friends, as you know, it is the end of month, and the end of month every cryptocurrency is fast down, but the Chiliz have a unique character that the price of the Chiliz is still positive. Let's see, my friends, the price chart and what's going on in this time in the Chiliz. Oh my goodness, you can see here the pricing as negative 41.35%. You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Chiliz. And the start of new month, friends, the price of the Chiliz is fast down, friends. But now it is the end of month on the 22 May they start moving upward. But now you can see here that the last you can see here this time I'm talking about this fast. Now at this time the price is gradually fast down, my friends. It is due to the end of month. You know what, at the end of month, especially the short-term investor going to decide to sell Chiliz at this time, my friends. So please don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell Chiliz at this time, my friends, because at this time the Chiliz hold is going to sell, so that is why the price is fast down, my friends. And remember, my friends, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. If you decide to sell Chiliz at this time, so you can see that the last 1 month pricing is negative, so that means that the price change occurring in the Chiliz is going negative. And if you decide to hold, so maybe there's a lot of chances to take a jump in the future. That is why I recommend for everyone to, it's a perfect time to hold in the future. The huge pump in the start of June, huge pump of the Chiliz are coming soon, so wait for it. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.